Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Obviously you know what it is because you clicked on this motherfucking video, so you know what's really getting down. So if you guys want to see how I did this, I don't know what to call this, burgundy glittery gold scrumptiousness amazingness eyeshadow look, keep watching. Take a seat, get your popcorn, get your chicken, get your broccoli or water, whatever the fuck you need to get, and stay tuned. But it's the second day of the new year, January 2nd, 2019. And that shit is crazy. Like, wow, I'm already productive. Honestly, I'm the type of person, I don't need it to be a new year in order for me to set goals or for me to like move forward in my life or for me to change. Like, I feel like the type of person I am, I like constant change. So I'm always looking for ways that I can improve myself and just like, you know, just I like to try new things too. So I feel like it doesn't take for me to have a new year in order for me to be like, okay, well, I want to try this, or I'm going to stop doing this. You know, like, it'll be a Wednesday and I'll just be like, I'm just not going to be on social media for the next 3 weeks. Or I just like a few months ago, I decided that I wanted to transition into being pescatarian. And I was just like, I wasn't going to wait for the new year to do that. Like, and the alarms are still going off. It's ridiculous. I don't know what's going on. Concealer brush. Why? Like, that don't make no damn sense. Bam. And I know it's really light. Don't worry about it. It'll be fine. You'll live. Honestly, the only reason why I'm using this on my bottom eyebrow is because I'm running low on my concealer. So as much of it as I can conserve, the better. Like, I need to go to the store. I've just been lazy these past few days. Honestly, this semester I'm on winter break for school and it's a much needed break. Like, I was so stressed out with everything going on within the semester. So I was just like, I've just been really lazy, and honestly I deserve to be lazy. Like, I can be lazy if I want to, because guess what? I'll be doing things, okay? I'll be getting shit done. And yeah. So I can be lazy. Don't judge me. I'm gonna eat these fucking noodles. Wait. But I'm gonna use that on the top. Eyeshadow, the main event. So this is the only tape I have, so I'm gonna go ahead and tape off the corners of my eyes. Like so. I don't know, but I'm feeling this color upgrade right now. So I'm gonna go take upgrade. And I'm just gonna pack it on my lid. I guess this is gonna be, I don't know. This is what this is gonna be, but. And then I'm gonna blend it out on the edges. Okay, so now that that's settled, it's time to figure out what we're gonna do next. So, ooh, I think I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take hold on, I'm just gonna blend this a little further up because I want it to be on basically the whole lid. I just want this on the whole lid. That's basically what I'm doing. So I'm bringing it up a little further. Half the time, I don't know what the fuck I be doing. Like I don't. And people be like, how do you do your? I don't know. Like, I literally just be figuring it out. This is my life. That's my motto for life, period. Like, figure this shit out. If you don't know, figure it out. And I feel like that's what I do. I figure shit out. Maybe that's why I'm so great. Okay. I want to use this Morphe blending brush. And there's no number on here. It just says Morphe. I'm going to go into Memories, which is this lighter transition color. And I'm just going to put that at the top of where I started to blend Upgrade at. Where I started to blend Upgrade up. Get it? Okay, sorry. So I'm just going to put that there. So it could just be like a better transition. Bam. And I know it's pretty high up, but you know what? I feel like I have no lid space because I have, what are these called? Hooded eyes. So I feel like I don't have like hella lid space anyways, but it's okay. Like, it's okay. We're probably gonna do a cut crease. That's why I'm going so high up. This is a Cosmetics brush. I love, absolutely adore these brushes. There's like, I think, how many is total? It's 5. And they're just so cute and glittery. Look, I love them. Okay, so I'm gonna take this blending brush and I'm gonna go back into the palette with Waterfall, which is this brown right here, and I'm gonna put that in my crease area, and I'm gonna do a lot. Put a lot there because I want it to be deep, like real deep. You feel me? Deeper than deep, like bitch. Deep sea diving in this bitch. Like, that's how deep I want this to be right now. And I don't know what I'm doing at all. Like, I don't know the direction I'm going in, but I like it so far. I can honestly say that. I like it so far. And I like to start in the middle. When I do, like, I don't know, I just like to start in the middle because I feel like it's easier for me to blend it out side to side than to start on the ends. And then once I do it in the middle, then that's when I'll go on the ends if I want it to be more heavily concentrated there or something like that. But just make sure you're blending. Blend, 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 blend. Okay, so that's done. So now I'm gonna go back in with the blending brush that I used for Memories, and I'm not gonna put anything else on it. I'm just gonna sweep that across the colors just to make sure they're all like blended together. We don't want any harsh lines or anything like that. So I'm gonna do that. So now I'm gonna cut my crease. I don't know what kind of cut crease I want to do. I don't know. I don't want to do like a wing cut crease or anything. I don't want to do that. I already know. So I'm gonna cut my crease. It's fucking energy. Listen, I'm sorry, I'm hungry. Like, I'm not finna At the end of my crease, I like to slowly, I like to do it at an angle, I guess. I don't know how to explain it. I guess like that. I don't know what I'm trying to say. But this is how I like to do it. Like, what's up with all these sounds? Because as soon, when I tell you, none of this shit was happening before, I decided I was going to sit down and I was going to record. But you know what? I'm going to still be great. I'm going to still be great and I'm going to still do what the fuck I'm doing. I'm going to get it done. So, can't nobody stop me. I'm unstoppable. I'm going to take Waterfall again, which is that dark brown that we used earlier. I think it's this one. I think I was putting it the wrong one. Whatever, you know. You know what I'm talking about. You know. Theme of using this. I feel like this is really convenient too. Like this is something I could just like take with me on vacation. Like I could just, oh yeah, I'm ready. It's all packed, all ready to go. And all I need is like foundation, concealer, powder, and like contour, you know, and like lipstick and eyelashes. But it's better than having to like take, like, you know, it's better than having to take like a whole fucking palette, like a couple palettes and stuff, because I like to switch it up. But I feel like this has a lot of variety, you know, like it has its browns, its neutrals, it has some color in here, like, you know, it's really versatile. So I could just take this with me and be cool for a weekend and have different looks. Like, yeah. So why y'all didn't tell me I have something on my lip? Like, world, stop, carry on. Like, I don't know, that's how I said it in my head. So I'm torn between Carry On and Hammock. Carry On is this blue right here, and Hammock is this silver, like right opposite from me. Do I want to do gold? I want to do gold. I changed my mind. I think I am going to do glitter because at this point, it would just be really beautiful with the glitter. I'm a little extra and excessive. I know. But ooh, who are you? Who are you? Because I've never met you before in my life. Like, what the fuck? You're beautiful, gorgeous. Who is this? Who is this Burgundy? I'm gonna go back in with this pointed brush again since I put glitter on there. I just want to make sure it's really cut, and I'm gonna dip back in Waterfall and just go over it. I don't know what I'm thinking. I could just use this. What? Ain't no point. And I really do like this eyeliner. I like the tip. This lipstick might not be for me, if you know what I mean. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I like the way it smells though. This is nice for like a nice subtle highlight, but I don't like subtle. I don't like subtle anything. I don't like subtle. Subtle, none of that. So now we really are gonna use the Jaclyn Hill palette because I love this highlight. And here I'm gonna use, I don't know which one I'm gonna use. I'm probably gonna use this one, the one on the outer corner. But I'm just gonna dip in there a little bit. And there we go. What do you guys think? This lip? Or, I guess one can be like a daytime and one can be like a nighttime. Like this could be the nighttime. Okay guys, well, that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Let me know which lipstick you liked better, the more nude one that came with the actual box. Like I said, once I figure out the name of this box, I will put it down in the description box, but I don't know the name of the box. I honestly wasn't even planning on doing like a whole thing around it. It just kind of happened. But anyways, let me know which lipstick you like better, or the lipstick combination, the nude with the brown, or this one, or should it be like a day and night type thing, or whatever. Again, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all so very much, and I love you all so very much. See you next time.